Hello friends, I will introduce the Mora Companion Heavy Duty Orange. This super knife came out with a thickness of 3.2 millimeters carbon steel blade and with a chic written Mora knife made in Sweden carbon steel on the blade. The blade is very interesting. The grip is as known from out of plastic. It is a successor of the, we can say, of the Clipper 840, the legendary knife, which was out of carbon steel as well, but has a thickness of 2.5 millimeters. The main difference of the blades are the thickness and the grips. The grip of the heavy duty blade is thicker and better for harder works. This blade is more for heavy duties, like its name says, for breaking, cutting, batooning, carving, and hard work with wood. So we can say that this is more, it has jumped a level upper than the Clipper, which is a bushcraft knife. We can say that the new heavy duty blade is a light survival blade in which you can trust, and it comes out with a cheaper price of around $15. I've got it from www.lamnia.fi. I will give you the web address and the measures of this blade. We can say that it was a legend, is still a legend, and this is the new successor legend of the Mora Clipper, the Mora Companion Heavy Duty Orange super blade for hard use. And the grip is very comfortable for many tasks, for skinning, carving in various positions. Thank you very much.